Three justices of the Court of Appeal delivered the judgment in the appeal filed by the 2020 governorship candidate of the APC, Pastor Osagie Ezeyamu, his running mate Malam Gani Audu, and the All Progressives Congress. Justice B.A. George Will, in his ruling, adopted the 5 issues canvassed in the appeal. The court established that the case was statute bar as it was filed out of time, noting that whereas the Independent National Electoral Commission published the names and particulars of candidates on the 2nd of July 2020, the appellant at the lower court, Kadri Sunday Oshokpeme, filed this case on 17th of July 2020, which exceeded the 14 days given by law. Justice George Will said the first respondent, who was the appellant at the State High Court, Kadri Sunday Oshokpeme, could not provide the original documents to prove that the certificate submitted by Malam Gani Audu to INEC was forged. He said he also could neither provide any witness to show that the said credentials belonged to another person, nor visit the institution of Malam Gani Audu claimed to obtain the certificates from. He submitted that the claim of forgery must be proved beyond reasonable doubt, as allegation of crime is not a tea party. The judgment in the separate appeals filed by Malam Gani Audu and the All Progressives Congress also followed suit, as the court said mere discrepancies in the certificates of a person is not enough to disqualify the candidate, saying the first respondent himself is a victim of discrepancies based on the name of the address he filed, as the name bears I.J. Odibeli instead of J.I. Odibeli. Counsel to the various parties addressed newsmen.
We thank their lordships for the judgments they have just delivered, having regard to the short time they had to consider the appeal and arrive at decisions on the matter. So we thank them.
The Court of Appeal has affirmed partly the decision of the lower court, so to say that the first respondent firstly had the local standing to institute the action, and that there were live issues and that the action was not academic.
The so-called alleged certificates forgery against the deputy governorship candidate of the All Progressive Congress was thrown aside, and the court verified that those documents actually belong to him.
The judgment by the Court of Appeal is coming exactly 2 months after the State High Court delivered its judgment. On 6th January 2021, the State High Court, presided over by Justice Courage Ogbebo, had disqualified the deputy governorship candidate of the All Progressives Congress, who contested the September 19, 2020 governorship election on the grounds of discrepancy in the name and document he submitted to INEC. However, with the judgment by the Court of Appeal sitting in Benin City, it is now clear that the discrepancy in the credentials of the deputy governorship candidate of the All Progressives Congress was not enough to have disqualified him, as the court said that the appellant could not prove their case. From the Court of Appeal in Benin, Best Mbiere reporting.